Hey guys, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen how we can use date picker in Flutter. Now we will see how we can use time picker. Just for that, I have to make a dummy of this. So I just copy this text field, and once again in the container, this is container. So I have to use full container. I copy this container and here just I paste it. Remember that, and I open this. So here in place of date, I say select time. Okay, and I just save this. You will see that another text field is also there, but this will show time, not a date. So icon is there and suffix, and in place of calendar icon I will show access time. I change the icon also. So this is for time. Whenever I will click on this, it will show time picker. So I say show time picker, and in the time picker what we have a context also. So you see I have a context also and initial time. So I remove this. So context I have, and I need initial time, not these two. So initial time is, I say initial time, that is date time dot now. So this I put as initial time, and what is this? Okay, that would be not this, that would be data type is not this, data type is time of day. So I say here time of day dot now, not this, time of day dot now, time of day dot now, and here also we need to put time of day as a data type in place of date time. Okay, this is for time. Show pick time, time will come, and we have to set time here. So that is get date. So I say get time first of all, and here I say if get time is not null, and this is to be changed. Controller also I have to change to time picker. I will change and I will declare it here also. So I copy this and I paste this. I take time picker here. Okay, and this is done. Here I put get time. Okay, and this is what date time is required. Date time formatter is required date time. So don't worry, I'm not using here this. I will use this dot format context. Okay, I use this. So this time will come to this. Now select time is coming. I click here and you see time is coming. I can select the time like this, AM, PM, whatever you want to select, and then I say okay, and you see time should come here. This should be time picker, not date picker, time picker. So date will come here. I select this. Okay, date will come here, and I click here time and set the time whatever you want. Okay, and you see time will come. I have to save this once again. Now date will come here, date will come here. Here I need time, so click here. Okay, and you see time is coming here, and you can change the format of this time also. So I say mode of this, I say timer entry mode icon, and if I want to set here under this I say initial entry mode, I say time entry mode to dial. So by default is dial. I save this and I click here, and you see by default is dial. So I say here input mode I need, save this, and I click here. You see now input mode is coming, no dial mode is coming. By default dial mode is there, now input mode is there. So here just I can put whatever I want. I say 28. Okay, and that information will come here. So by default is dial mode like this. So if you want dial, so does not provide anything, automatically dial mode will come, otherwise input mode will come. And here we have both the mode. Input mode you can use, or you can use a dial mode, whatever you want. See, so like this way you can use show time picker also in a Flutter. I think you understand how to use date time picker in Flutter. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this.